Hey guys, today I'm going to give you 3 tips for split ends, okay? Now the medical diagnosis for this is trichoptilosis. So go ahead and say it with me, trichoptilosis, okay? Now you can tell your friends, hey, I fixed my trichoptilosis, and they'll look at you very strange. All right, so let's talk about what's really behind this condition, okay? Number 1 is too much heat on the hair. Blow dryer, curling iron, damage the hair. So if you're using those high heats, well, that could be one cause. All right, number 2, chlorine. If you don't have a water filter, you're getting a lot of chlorine on your hair. So now the hair is made out of protein, and it's covered with an oil called sebum. Chlorine destroys the sebum, the oil around the hair, which, by the way, is loaded with vitamin E as a protective thing against oxidation. And then it has the effect of destroying the protein structure, and it actually starts to break down the end of the hair, and that's another cause. So what do? Very simply, you get a filter, okay? You can screw it right on the shower head or get a whole house filter to reduce the chlorine. Number 3, trace minerals. Realize that a deficiency in trace minerals can definitely cause split ends, hair loss in general, because trace minerals are involved with enzymes. They're like the key that allows the enzyme to work. And I'm talking about a copper deficiency or a zinc deficiency or even an iron deficiency. But mainly with split ends, it's going to be low copper, okay? By the way, you can get copper in sea kelp, oysters, leafy greens, seafood, organ meats. And you can also get these other minerals as well. Now, if you're going to take a trace mineral supplement, make sure it's a plant-based trace mineral supplement, as in sea kelp or just a regular plant-based trace mineral, because those minerals are a lot smaller. They absorb a lot better than other minerals, like 15,000 times smaller than other minerals, so they can go in there and help the growth of hair. Oh, and one more point about chlorine. Let's say, for example, you're a swimmer and you use chlorine in the pool. I would recommend wearing a cap, okay? There's also something called AquaGuard that you can put on your hair to protect this oil from breaking down, okay, to protect the hair. I would recommend that. And definitely when you're done swimming, you can rinse your hair to reduce the chlorine as well. All right, guys, there you have it, the 3 tips for split ends. So if you've personally benefited from the information that I put out in my videos, I would love to actually see your success story too. I put a link down below so you can upload your before and after pictures with your story.